What's up everyone, Rocket Randall here, and I'm testing out a new prototype rocket today, an SN15 Starship prototype, 1/100 scale. And I have here one that I tested a month ago just to kind of see how it basically went. And it was interesting, so let's take a look.
3, 2, 1, launch.
So as you can see, the flight did not go quite according to plan. It tumbled, which means it wasn't aerodynamically stable. So I took a look at the video to see what I could change, and I changed 3 things with this new one. Obviously, I haven't painted this one, but I changed 3 things. One, I made the bottom fins a little bit bigger, so trying to get more stability down there. I noticed that when it was flipping with the top flaps. So that meant that there was too much air on the top. So I made these flaps on top so they would fold down completely, and that should improve that a lot. And I also added 1 ounce of clay to the top of this one. When you add more weight to the top of the rocket, it becomes more aerodynamically stable. So let's give this one a launch and see what happens.
Number 2, everybody watching, on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. So far, so good.
Well, I would say that was a successful flight. It went up nice and straight, arced over, parachute deployed, and it came back down much better than the last one with all the tumbling. So before I flew this, I weighed it, and it weighed in with everything at about 300 grams. I flew it on a D12-3, and that one is rated to lift up to 400 grams. And so I was at about 75% capacity of that motor. Didn't go real high, maybe 200 feet, but it looked really good. And for a rocket like this, all painted up, it's gonna look spectacular. So there's a few more details I want to add to it, and then there was actually a little bit of melting just above the engine bay, and I know how to fix that. I just got to get some cardboard tubes in there. I didn't add that to this rocket, so it's definitely going to need that, but with a few improvements to some of the design, I think I got a winner here, and I'll try to have it out shortly. Keep your eyes in the sky with Max Q Rockets.